Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. We are learning here Excel automation. So in this series, today we will learn the remove duplicate range activity and also see the one use case, that is how to delete duplicate row in Excel. So let's go to the UiPath and see this use case. So I'm going to the UiPath studio. So now you can see the screen. This is UiPath studio. So here I'm creating a new workflow. So press Control N to create a new workflow for sequence. If you want to create the flowchart, you can go here and uh, click on the new and select the flowchart. So I'm taking here the sequence. So write the name of workflow. So I'm writing duplicate, delete, delete duplicate row. So now here, firstly I'm taking a activity Excel application scope activity. So Excel application scope activity. So in this activity, firstly select the file which you're working on. So I'm taking this file, dump data to. Okay. So after that, firstly see the record Excel file that we are using. This is the data to file. So here you can see here the some data. These data are unique. You can see. So we need to duplicate the rows because we are deleting the duplicate row. So you can see here is Ravi Ranjan. Okay. So I'm copying this row and pasting here, and these two row, Control C and pasting here. So there are the 13 row, 13 row here available, and in this 13 row, 3 rows are duplicate. Okay. So now save this file, Control S, and close this file. So now here I'm taking an activity that is a remove duplicate range activity. So in these activities, using this activity, you can remove the duplicate rows in Excel. So in this activity, you can see the parameter here. So only two parameter, seat name and range. So I'm providing the seat name. Seat name is a by default seat 1, and the range. So you can go to the file and open the file and see the range. So A2 to G14. So this is a range. So here providing the in the double quote A2 to G14. Okay. So now it's completed. So firstly close the Excel file, then you can run the program. So here I am closing the file and Control S and running this file. Now you can see process is completed. You can go to the Excel sheet. This is another Excel sheet, and go to the here and open dump data to. You can see here there is a 14 row, 3 duplicate row are removed from the Excel file. So I hope you understand how duplicate row we can remove from the Excel file. So this is a smallest data here. So if you have a large amount of data, like 100, 1k, 2k data, and if you want to delete the in that data, you delete the some a specific duplicate row, so you can delete that using this activity. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. That's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.